Okay, so let's look at the solution to this particular exercise. Okay, so here for me, I'll be printing that using the indexing string slicing from 0 to the end. So for me to get that, I'm going to look at this. Here, my age is at index 3, and I'm going to index this 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to stop at 8 because 8 is obviously not going to be included. So if I print this out, I have this heart. Now the one I'll be using next is the negative indexing. So I have used the positive indexing. Now I want to use the negative indexing. Okay, so I'm going to be moving from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and I'll be moving negatively like that. So I have -6 right here, and -7, -8, -9, -10. So here we have -10 to -5 because this obviously is not going to be included. So if I run that, I get the same output as well. And the last one I'll be doing now is I'll be mixing both the negative and positive index together. So I'm going to be doing this word, and we know for our positive index it starts from 3. So I'm going to use 3, and for our negative index it ends at -5. So I'm just going to do that -5, and I still have the same answer. So this right here is my solution to the problem I just gave you guys.